Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name change on your PAN card after marriage. First, understand that updating your PAN card is essential for maintaining consistent financial records and avoiding future discrepancies. You will need to gather all the necessary documents, such as your marriage certificate and updated identity proofs, before you begin. The application can be completed either online through the official portals or by submitting a physical form. A nominal fee, usually around 107 rupees for Indian addresses, is typically associated with this service. To successfully change your name on your PAN card, you will need several key documents. Foremost among these is your official marriage certificate, which legally validates your name change. Additionally, an updated proof of identity like your Aadhaar card or passport clearly displaying your new surname is absolutely essential. You will also need a current proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement, matching your new name. Finally, a clear copy of your existing PAN card must be included with your application. The application process is straightforward. Start by visiting the official NSDL or UDITSL website, which are the authorized agencies for PAN services. Locate and select the changes or correction in existing PAN data option. Carefully fill out the online form, ensuring all your personal details, especially your new name, are accurate. Next, you will need to upload scanned copies of your marriage certificate, updated identity proof, and address proof. After successfully uploading these, proceed to pay the small application fee online using your preferred method, and then submit your form. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive a unique acknowledgement number. It is vital to keep this number safe, as it allows you to track the status of your PAN card name change online. You can check the progress of your application on the NSDL or UDITSL website using this number. After your new PAN card arrives, which usually takes between 15 and 25 working days, carefully inspect all the printed details to ensure everything is correct. This final check helps confirm your updated information is accurately reflected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.